Yeah. Allow me to reshare again and then move. We are looking at choosing the right word, the right upgrade. Yes. It is important to understand at least the basics about what is going on inside the computer and what the hardware upgrade can or cannot do. Yes, because not every problem can be sorted by upgrading. You get, yes, sometimes you can get an issue and then even if you upgrade, still nothing does what, nothing changes. So it is always good that you first understand clearly the problem, and then you are able to provide appropriate upgrade that can create an impact. Because it won't make sense for you to borrow the client's machine and then probably no impact is created, but then at the end of the day, you expect payment. So we need to be people who can create impact every time we work on any kind of a computer issue. Yeah. Then, okay, choosing the right upgrade here, some of the easiest or part is happening. Okay. Was telling you that RAM, so to see the biggest increase in performance, increase the amount of RAM in an older computer, whereby a good sign you could benefit from more RAM is if your computer slows down a lot when you try to use several programs simultaneously. Yeah, a computer can be normal, working well, but then you realize that when you open Mozilla Firefox, you open maybe Chrome, you open WhatsApp, you open Zoom, you open even various media player, you open maybe Word and any other application on the same computer, then it starts being what? Starts freezing, you get, because that RAM amount in that particular computer cannot perform the multitasking levels that you are actually assigning it to. Meaning that the only way to solve that, you get, the easiest way is of course to adjust on the amount of RAM. Either if you're using maybe 2 GB, then you can double and then put what, like 4 GB, depending, and then obviously you realize a change, you get. That is one, but I'm not saying that every time the computer slows down, the only factor or issue that needs to be addressed is RAM. But I'm saying it is one of the obvious, and in most cases, for example, I've given you a case scenario that the moment, like the computer is okay, working well, but the moment you give it multiple tasks to be performed simultaneously at the same time, you realize that the speed does what? Slows down, it freezes. Then obviously, you know that, yes, you need to adjust by adding on the amount of RAM and then see. Then we have another item or device that we can adjust or upgrade in a computer, which is, these are graphics cards, whereby graphics processing uses, of course, RAM. So a graphics card upgrade may improve overall performance. If the computer works with a lot of digital video, one can benefit from adding RAM or changing from unintegrated or on-board graphics card to a dedicated graphics card. Yes, only that nowadays most of the graphics cards are inbuilt, whereby they come already embedded into the motherboard you get. So ensure that the motherboard can support the new card.